So we're taking a look at Bora's Pro Compact Pocket Hole Jig. Also the auto adjusting C-clamp with their color-coded pocket hole screws that go with the jig. All right, I will break that down and show you exactly what's going on with this so you can fully understand it. So when you set the depth, which is right here on whatever material you're gonna be pocket hole screwing, it's doing two things at once. This down here is moving and it is sliding this arm, which sets the distance your pocket hole jig needs to be. On the other side, this side is sliding that locking ring. So whenever you set your distance, you'll set it, you'll stop it, you'll lock that ring, and then right here on the jig, this is what's gonna lock this distance arm in. So when I pull this off, it's magnetic, it's gonna lock in where it needs to be. You saw how that popped down? Now that can't move. Oh, and I lied, it's doing 3 things, not 2. So when you're adjusting this, it's also taking this arrow and lining it up with which screw you need to use, which are color-coded if you're using the Bora pocket hole screws. So you can just match the colored screw with the colors lined up with, or if you're not using the Bora screws, it still tells you the length of the screw. And when you take this out, a little pro tip for the Pro Jig, just set this down, don't mess with it. That way when you come back to put everything together, it lines up, you don't have to readjust anything, it just snaps right back together. And then, of course, loosen up that ring, slide it back together. You can tighten it back down if you want, but always stick that Allen wrench back in there. Boom. So now I'll just do this in real time so you can get an idea of what it's like without any fancy editing. So you're gonna set your depth, then you're gonna take your Allen wrench, lock that ring in, go ahead and stick that in your drill, put your Allen wrench back, take the jig, set it in place. I like to clamp it down to the table as well. Auto adjusting. When you're done, stick it back together, put your drill bit back in there, and then you got to loosen up that ring again, break it loose, don't go too far with it, close it up. Then you're ready to set it for another thickness or put it away. So that should give you a good idea of what to expect from this jig. I really like it because it's quick and easy to use and it takes all the guesswork out of it. I'll put the links in the description for anyone who is interested.